like this here. My name is JynellTrail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jynell. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. It is free of cost, no charges, no nothing. So first of all, let me say Happy New Year. I know I posted it in my community like on New Year's Day, but whatever, I'm gonna say it again. Happy New Year, and I hope this year is good to y'all. I hope that you guys manifest positivity in your lives. I hope this year treat us better than 2021. God, see, I know we need it. All right, anyway, so today's video is sponsored by Toyotress. My name is Toyotress. So they are a Amazon-based company. Please focus. They are a Amazon-based company, and they sent me their crochet butterfly locks. So, and this is in 12 inches. So this is what it looks like. Very soft, flexible, not stiff. All right, so that's good. So that's what it came. Well, this is what the hair came in. It came with a crochet needle, no accessory. So that's it. So in total there are 8 packs of hair. So this is my braids. These are hold. So this is the braiding pattern that I'll be using. This is just for middle part purpose. This is for side part purpose. So this is what it looks like. So as you guys can see, I have a little thinning situation going on. That's because I'm struggling with postpartum shedding, which I will be talking about in another video. Just give me some time. So yeah, let's get into today's video. Because my hair is already braided, this process is gonna be super easy. So you don't have to use the exact braiding pattern that I use. You can go ahead and use whatever braids you can use. 4 big chunky braids, it doesn't matter, as long as the hair is installed properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this first one, but first let me brush out the little judgment on me have right as well. Right. But I'm currently in the process of growing back my edges, so I'm using Wild Growth hair oil and also Do Grow oil. So let's see, I'm trusting the process. All right, so for this crochet style, let me zoom you guys in a little. Zoom. Why you not zooming? Zoom up. Right. All right, see my hairline sitting out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my crochet hook. I'm gonna open it, put it under the braid. I'm not gonna put it too close to my edges because, as you guys can see, I don't have any. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. This is the top part of the hair. It has a loop, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook that to the needle. Push, close the needle, pull it through, push the hook between the hoop again. Grab the end of the hair, the end of the hair, close that hook and pull it through, and that's how you're gonna do this. Hi, Jesus Christ. All right, let me do that again. All right, so I'm gonna take my hair. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna open the hoop, which is what I should have done. Then I'm gonna go ahead and open my hook, put it under the braid, hook that to the hair, close the latch, pull it through, push it back, which would automatically open the latch. And then I'm gonna put attach to the end of the hair. Then I'm gonna close the hook and pull it through the hoop, and you should have something like this. Very simple, very easy. No bugger hustle and tussle. And I guess the end part you should cut it. So I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and fluff it a little bit just to give it a more butterfly look, even though it's like soft locks. I'm just gonna give it a like that, you see? Right, just like that. All right, so with that being done, I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple more off camera, then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do the top part. So right, so this is what I have so far. I did the back spacious, so if you guys can see my cornrows, let me know. So this is what the back looks like. I'm gonna go in later and like fill it out, but I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing the top part. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit more. There you go. So I take my hook, push it under the braid. Ooh. Under the braid, get my butterfly locks. So what I noticed, so normally the hair will come wrapped on this piece of string, right? So that would be like this part. So I thought this part was the top part, this part was where you push the hook through and attach that to your hair. But I found out something just now. So you turn it, so this is how it came, right? You turn it upside down and you pull this part down a little bit, then the hook right here, or the hoop right here is bigger, so that makes more sense. So what you do with that, you have your hook open, you attach the hair to that, pull it through, and then with that it gives the root like a neater look, so it doesn't look obvious that it's crochet, right? So you do that, you do that, then you pull your loop as tight as possible, and then that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one more time. Under, get your hair, it came like this, turn it like this, pull this down a little bit, open your hoop, attach that to your needle, pull that through, attach the hand, close it, pull it through, and then voila. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair. So far I've used 4 packs. It's not a lot that came in one pack, so that explains why. But so far it's not heavy, it's not doesn't feel too much, so I can work with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the next pack, and I'm gonna be right back to show you guys the finished look with makeup and all.
Come closer, get a couple drinks, get to know ya, get to know your blue eyes.
So this is the finished look, you guys. So I could do center part if I want to, just super cute. I could do a side part, I could do this side, I can do a half up, half down if I wanted to. Like, this here is super cute. It was very easy to do. I did this in like 30 minutes, I would say, excluding my makeup. So yeah, it took me like 30 minutes to do this. So yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I said this hair is from Toyotress, and yeah, I'll leave all of their contact information down below. It is a Amazon based company, so let me know if you guys are willing to try this crochet butterfly locks, because I know butterfly locks can take like a good little minute. So let me know if you guys would like switch it up and try something like real fast, real quick, you know, soft, same way, super cute, all of that. Yeah. So yeah, and this is very beginner friendly. Like I said, you just throw like, you could do like 4 anchor braids or cornrows. That's it, and just crochet in the hair anywhere you want it, any part you want to do, and whatever. Like I said, this hair is super versatile and I love it. Love it. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in the next video.